Hello children, today we are going to make a card for Krishna Janmashtami. We will make a card and we'll give to our Kanaji. Okay, so I'm going to tell you required material. I need this rectangular sheet and this one and this one and this one. These rectangular sheet we want one Fevicol, scissor, pencil, eraser and small pieces of chart. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we will fold this card. Okay, we will fold this chart. Okay, I have folded like this. Now I'm going to make a flute. So we need this type of paper and this stick also. We will fold with this stick this chart paper. Okay, how we'll fold I'm going to tell you. See, everyone. Yes. Now we will take out this stick from this and we will paste it. Okay, we will paste it like this. Look, I have pasted and our flute is ready. Now we will cut like this. We will cut it slanting. Okay, so now it looks like this. Okay, now I'm going to draw the whole of the flute. Okay, we can decorate the flute, okay, with the decorating material whatever you have at your home. And for that we need a peacock feather also, so we are going to make peacock feather. Okay, for that we need blue paper must. It is must to take blue and green. Okay, and another we can take for our choice. Okay, now we are going to draw like this. We will draw a feather. Okay, okay, we have cut it. Okay, now we are going to cut a small feather. I'm going to cut these feathers. Yes, now we'll make a heart. We'll make a feather of heart shape. We have cut all 4 feather. Now we'll paste together. I'm going to paste. First of all, I'll take this. Okay, we will paste it. After that, I'll paste this. Like this we will paste. After that, this small heart shape we will paste. Okay, now this corner I'll cut. After that, we will cut them in thin strips. Okay, we'll not cut all. We'll cut like this. Okay. Yes, beta. We need 2 feathers. So we need 2 feathers. Which procedure I told you? Same procedure you will follow in second feather also. So we have prepared 2 feathers. Okay. Now this is our card. We will paste this rectangular sheet on it. Okay, over it we will paste this rectangular sheet and we will cut the corner. We'll cut the corner like this. You can draw if you can cut without drawing, so you can cut like this also. Okay, if you will cut with drawing, then it will be easy for you. Okay, now we will cut this corner like this. I have cut all 4 corners. Now it look like this. Okay, now we will paste it over pink sheet. Okay, now we'll paste over pink sheet. Now I'm going to paste. We will separate the Fevicol and now we will paste it. You can decorate the card according to your choice and with the decorating material whatever you have at your home. Okay, it has been pasted. In middle of the card we will paste it. In middle of the card we will paste it. It has been pasted. Okay, now we will cut the circles, one big and one small, like this. Okay, we will cut the circle, one big and one small. We will paste them over here. Okay, now from the big circle we will give this shape and we will cut like this. Okay, it will look good now. Now we will cut like this. Okay, you can see. It will take little time. Okay, so you can cut like this. I have cut like this. Now we can give the outline like this. Okay, this is your choice. If you want to, then you can give. Okay, yes, I have given outline. Now I'll paste this circle over it. Okay, you can give the outline of this circle also. This is your choice. Now I'll paste it over here. Okay, I have pasted. Now we will take our flute. I will paste this feather over the flute. Okay, first of all we will paste the flute. In slanting we will paste our flute. Krishna loves flute na, so we have prepared a flute for Krishna. Okay, now we will paste this feather over here. Okay, now we will paste this feather over here on the flute. Okay, loves peacock feather also. Now we will decorate the flute. Look, I have taken ribbon and I have cut it in 3 parts. Now we will make a crown. So I have taken rectangular sheet. Okay, now we will draw. How we will cut, I am going to tell you. First of all we will draw from the corner. We'll start like this. After that we'll go like this. After that like this. After that we'll take here. Okay, and from downside also we'll cut like this. Now we will cut. Now we'll cut. Look, I have cut it and I have pasted from here. Okay, now we will cut from here. We will give this shape and we will cut. You can decorate your crown also according to your choice, according to your things, whatever you have at your home, waste material, you can cut. Okay, now our crown is ready. It's ready like this. Now we will fold these corner like this, because we'll paste from this also only. Okay, now I'm going to paste. First of all, we will paste this sheet here. You can take another color also. I'm going to take this yellow color. Okay, now I will cut it from here. Now we will paste it like this. Okay, it should be equal from both the sides, so we will equal. Okay, now we will paste it. Middle of the card we will paste it. We have pasted. Now we will paste the crown. First of all we will decorate it, after that we will paste. Okay, I am going to decorate it. I will paste here some stones and beads, whatever you have, pearls, stones, beads, so you can see. I have decorated my crown like this. It look like a crown na. It's looking very nice, है ना? Now we will paste it. How we will paste it? First of all, we will paste from here. We will paste from here. Okay. We have pasted, and now I'll paste it. I'll put the Fevicol here, and I'll close my card. Okay. I'll close my card and it will be pasted like this. Okay. Yes, I have pasted it like this. Now it has been opened. Yes. Now we will paste a feather over here. Okay. Now we will paste a feather over here like this. Here we will paste a feather. Okay. Now we will paste the feather like this, and now we will close it like this. We have closed, and now we will open. Wow, it looks very nice. See, you can decorate like this also. Okay, now we will write here Happy Janmashtami. Janmashtami. Janmashtami, Janmashtami. Okay. Here we can write I love Krishna. I love. We will write here I love Krishna. Now our card is ready. Everyone, now you can give to your Kanaji. Ready now? It's ready to give to your Kanaji. Yes, very nice crown we have, na? You can decorate from inside also, according to your choice. You can decorate. Our card is ready to give to our Kanaji. Thank you. Bye bye.